Good morning. I'm Jeremy Bedor, and this is the first video of me documenting my life from where I am to where I'm meant to be. Right now, my life is simple, but I know everyone starts somewhere. Every journey has a beginning, and this is mine. So I'm using Zelatite Brightening Facial Wash. Disclaimer, this is not sponsored. At this moment, I was thinking if what should I do next. And I have decided na bumili na lang ng asin. So yun na nga, bago ako lumabas, nagpalit muna ako and papunta na ako ng tindahan. Tagpala asin nyo?
20.
Sige, isa na lang tayo.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ayun nga, katatapos ko lang maligo because I need to go to the gym. Pero bago yan, kailangan ko muna tanggalin tong mga bungot na to dahil feeling ko nagiging tatay na ako. And I'm done shaving. And also, nilagay ko na din yung serum ko, moisturizer, and also sunblock. Let's go! By the way guys, project it pala yung pinag-chichiman ko dito. It's a good workout for back and biceps. We are done working out now, guys. Tignan nyo naman kung gaano kaganda yung langit ngayon. So naghihintay na lang tayo ng masasakyan natin pa uwi. Natapos ko na nga yung mga kailangan kong gawin today. Nakapag-prepare na rin ako and nakapag-gym. Honestly, simple lang yung araw ko ngayon. But I believe that even the small things we do every day can slowly change our future. Right now, I'm still working on myself, building discipline, improving little by little, and trying to become a better version of who I was yesterday. Kaya gusto kong i-document yung journey na to para balang araw, makita ko kung gaano kalaya yung narating ko. This is Jeremy Beheder Diaries, and this is only the beginning. I'll see you in the next chapter.